What's good, y'all? What is Gucci Gang? Get out of here, box. It's got a nice bit of chili dog seasoning on it with the taste of that Cheez-it. Man, it just tastes like nice, have a nice chili dog without the bun. We got a decent texture in too. I'm glad. Grab another handful to make my decision. Those are fire. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I'm usually not like the biggest fan of Cheez-Its, but those, I'm gonna give those a 9 out of 10. Anyways, if you rock with the video and watch the video in its full length, which I hope you did, give it a like, comment, subscribe to your boy's channel, Tim's Eats and Reviews. I'm out. Deuce, gang.